Wild night for markets. Big earnings from JP Morgan reversed the trend. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Day Update for Friday, the 13th. Oh, lucky Friday. I got married on Friday the 13th. In the meantime, markets were under some pressure overnight, and they've reversed out after JP Morgan delivered earnings, and of course another under-promise and over-deliver. But I think markets are under some stress here for good reason. Obviously, we're going to a weekend, a lot of bad things happening. We see the oil markets exploding higher, which we reversed a short into this rally this morning. And you see the gold markets flying higher. We're still short gold and still short silver. I'm sure at these prices that won't be the same on Monday, but for today, that's where we are. The indexes are mixed. The Dow is up big. The S&P's up, and the NASDAQ and the Russell are near flat to lower. We are short them all. It doesn't really matter. Bonds and notes are flying higher, another fear indicator, another fear gauge, and we are still short. Euro currency is flat, and we are short. The dollar is flat. We would be long, but we don't trade it any longer. Bitcoin is slightly higher. We're long. Copper is lower. We're short. Nat gas is lower. We're long. In the grain markets, as I said yesterday, I'd be a buyer into that WASDE report. They exploded higher this morning. They're flat to slightly lower. Wheat's higher, but beans and corn are flat to just a touch lower. We are still short across the board. In the cattle market, cattle's flat. We would be short. Hogs are flat. We would be short. In the softs, cocoa is lower. We're short. Cotton is higher. We're long. Sugar is higher. We're long. OJ is higher. We're long. And coffee is higher, and we're still short. Look, be careful. It's a weekend you're coming into, which anything can happen, right? We saw what happened last weekend when we came in. And again, obviously, we don't want to repeat, but there is a lot of uncertainty. Be careful where you go. Stay away from troubles, places that can create possible trouble. This is like trading. You want to watch the places that are too volatile. You'd probably want to stay away from those. In the meantime, don't forget about our sponsors, Trade Your Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, scrolling on the side, our high school program on the bottom. And, of course, we didn't have any pick last night. We'll see what happens. And, of course, our pick in the baseball series are Philadelphia in the National League and Texas in the American League. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you on Monday.